This is Foxpower Hybrid Solar Inverter Beta X6. Depending on different power situations, this hybrid inverter is designed to generate continuous power from PV solar modules, battery, and the utility. You should have received the following items inside a package: inverter unit, RS-232 cable, parallel cable, share current wires, manual, software CD. This hybrid inverter is designed for indoor or outdoor use. Please make sure the installation site meets below conditions: not in direct sunlight, not in areas where highly flammable materials are stored, not in potential explosive areas, not in the cool air directly, not near the television antenna or antenna cable, not higher than altitude of about 2,000 meters above sea level, not an environment of precipitation or humidity. Fix 4 screws. The reference tightening torque is 35 Nm. Raise the inverter and place it over the 4 screws. Check if the inverter is firmly secured. Connecting to the AC utility. Before making AC input connection, be sure to open DC protector or disconnector first. Remove insulation sleeve 7 mm for 4 conductors. Insert AC input wires according to polarities indicated on terminal block and tighten the terminal screws. Be sure to connect PE protective conductor first. Generator connection. There are 2 functions with this port: allows generator input as power source, allows second AC output connect. This output can be turned on or off by setting battery voltage. PV module connection. Check the input voltage of PV array modules. The acceptable input voltage of the inverter is 120 VDC, 600 VDC. This system is applied with 2 strings of PV array. Please make sure that the maximum current load of each PV input connector is 15A. Disconnect the circuit breaker and switch off the DC switch. Remove insulation sleeve 7 mm for positive and negative conductors. Check correct polarity of connection cable from PV modules and PV input connectors. Then, connect positive pole of connection cable to positive pole of PV input connector. Connect negative pole of connection cable to negative pole of PV input connector. Battery connection. Check the nominal voltage of batteries. The nominal input voltage for inverter is 48 VDC. Use 2 battery cables. Remove insulation sleeve 10 mm and insert conductor into cable ring terminal. Insert battery wires according to polarities indicated on the terminal block and tighten the terminal screws. Make sure polarity at both the battery and the inverter charge is correctly connected. Red cable to the positive terminal. Black cable to the negative terminal. Make sure the wires are securely connected. The reference tightening torque is 5.5 to 7.0 Nm. The inverter is equipped with several communication ports and it is also equipped with a slot for alternative communication interfaces in order to communicate with a PC with corresponding software. The above is a brief introduction of Beta X6 installation. If you have any questions, please contact us.